what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be.
Guys, we back with another video, and today we're going to be drawing. Today we back with unicorn, Valentine unicorn poop.
Get that
We're gonna make a slime picture. So let's get to making.
I might got some kind of vinegar cream or something there. I'll look to see what I got. Alright.
Tell me if that's cute or not, because. And we'll be back with some crayons. Okay, we're back with the crayons. So I'm going to first I have to color it blue, and then I have to go around with white.
Stop getting all this paper.
And when I miss it, I just color that part.
You don't come over here. You bug at home.
So let's finish coloring, and I will be back when I get done. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go around with the white. Have to go around this whole spot because you don't want to see any spots around the edge. Wait, before we do this part, you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below and subscribe. Hit the bell button. Click all so you won't miss no notifications. Let's continue.
Hello.
And if you do subscribe, we'll drop another banger tomorrow. We'll make more slime videos. And my first Gotcha Life video is, I'm still working on this. It's not gonna come out January or February because I'm still working. Or it might be coming out this month. It might be coming out next month.
Okay, I'm at the daycare. I'm kind of stuck beyond ain't here, but I could be better. You right here. Okay. Oh, okay.
That is the X. Now what we're gonna do is get a whole bunch of colors and draw dots around.
Girl, I should have been in there for all that. I need to know them.
No, we're gonna like draw like slime. No, let's do the wall. So get the pencil or the pen or a marker that you are using. Go around your whole paper like slime is dripping off your paper. Go just like that, you guys. Like slime dripping. At the end of the video, we're gonna be coloring it green. Just like, and on the S, I want you to do the same. And if it's not like, it's not gonna like let you color that part, just don't color it. Color the part, it'll let you color it. Hey, go ahead and color that part. Even though our slime is pink, but mostly slime is always green.
Hold my crayons back in my crayons box.
Didn't get the white. Didn't go on the white. Okay. Now let's go on to the eye. And when you're done with the eye,
Who in the
I'll come
bathroom
back
first?
when I get done
Coco, let
with
Coco pee.
the I
Let's
and the
go
M and the
get
E. Okay, guys, we done with the I and the M and the E. Now, at the bottom, draw a little, like this. Just draw like this at the bottom of your paper. Like this. Then draw a bow. Then this is how my bow looks. Connect that part up a little bit. It has to be a big bow. And then just go like that.
Coco, get out my bathroom. Hurry up and get out my bathroom. You shouldn't get two.
Like
You should
that.
get one. How many times somebody got to tell you?
Draw a spoon. Then we'll be back when I get up from drawing the ingredients. Okay, we done from drawing.
A-C-T-I-B-A-T-O-R.
And yep. And I'll be back when I get on coloring one part. I'm gonna color the eye. Now I'm gonna color a couple more. Be back. So you guys, we colored the slime inside the bowl. The reason it looks like that because it's mixing.
1 minute, because Deanna's not here. Hold on.
We'll be back. We'll be coloring some more. Okay guys, we done coloring the rest of it. Now I just gotta color the top. So this is my final piece. So let's clean up and we'll show you
What is these balls on the floor?
the
What
thing.
is it?
So you guys, this is my final touch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you did what I said in the beginning, and bye. Bye.
Don't leave nothing on